In the vast realm of blockchain technology, Loom Network stands out as a solution that addresses the challenges of scalability and efficiency. Picture it this way: imagine you're at a busy restaurant, and everyone is trying to place their orders with the chef directly. The chef can only cook a limited number of dishes at once, leading to slow service and long waiting times. This is similar to how traditional blockchains operate, where everyone competes for limited space to get their transactions confirmed. Enter Loom Network, the solution that aims to make the process more like having multiple chefs and kitchens, all working in sync. Loom Network is like a set of specialized kitchens, called side chains, that work alongside the main kitchen, which represents the main Ethereum blockchain. These side chains are designed to handle specific tasks more efficiently. Imagine one side chain for baking desserts, another for grilling meats, and so on. Each side chain has its own designated chefs, ingredients, and equipment, so they can process orders more quickly without overwhelming the main kitchen. The technology behind Loom Network revolves around a concept called Layer 2 scaling. Imagine you have a large cake to share among friends, but instead of trying to cut it into small pieces directly, you slice it into manageable sections first. Loom Network does something similar with the Ethereum blockchain. It builds a layer on top of Ethereum, where dapps, decentralized applications, can operate more swiftly and efficiently. Loom Network offers different types of side chains, like PlasmaChain, DAppChains, GameChain, and SocialChain, each serving a specific purpose. Think of them as different kitchens with their own specialties. PlasmaChain, for instance, is like a high-speed express lane for transactions, allowing quick confirmations. DAppChains provide customizable settings, making them perfect for applications with varying requirements. So, how does Loom Network work its magic? Let's break it down into simple steps. Sidechain creation: developers can set up their own side chains tailored to their dapps needs. It's like setting up a kitchen with the right tools and ingredients for a particular dish. Faster transactions: transactions on Loom Network sidechains happen quickly, often in less than a second. This is like getting your meal served almost instantly in a restaurant designed for speed. Security and decentralization: Loom Network maintains a secure and decentralized environment using a consensus mechanism called Delegated Proof of Stake, DPoS. This is like having vigilant chefs and supervisors ensuring the quality and safety of the food. Low fees: transactions on Loom Network sidechains can have very low or even zero fees. It's like being charged a minimal amount for your meal, allowing for microtransactions without breaking the bank. Staking and rewards: validators in Loom Network, like expert chefs, stake Loom tokens to secure the network. In return, they receive rewards, similar to being recognized for their exceptional culinary skills. Loom Network's goal is to make blockchain technology more accessible and efficient for everyday use. Just as having multiple specialized kitchens in a restaurant improves service and variety, Loom Network's sidechains enhance the blockchain experience by catering to specific needs and speeding up transactions. By building these sidechains on top of Ethereum, Loom Network is like a chef's secret ingredient that makes blockchain applications faster, more affordable, and user-friendly. As the blockchain landscape continues to evolve, Loom Network stands as a shining example of innovation in the world of decentralized technology. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the Loom Network, Loom? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button.